Hi everybody, this is Susan Chan from Feng Shui Creative. I am in the middle of a snowstorm, as you can see, and it's so much fun. It's only 2 weeks to Chinese New Year. Oh, the snow is coming down pretty hard right now. I wanted to say that I am recording from New York City, but I'm actually in Connecticut where we are visiting and taking the little bunny for a walk. I just wanted to say have a fun and safe weekend. Hope you are playing in the snow and making snow angels like we are. And I will speak to you soon for some more Chinese New Year tips. See you soon.
Walk with the bunny. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on, bitch. Oh, it's I think it's too thick. Or we keep choking the poor thing. Come on, Gucci. Alright, or maybe Gucci needs to go in the okay, the bunny's going in the sled. So now we're walking the bunny.